Guys, what's happening? Chris from Car Sound Security, 2006 Mercedes Viano. So a full Audison upgrade. So we've taken the Mercedes command unit out. We've taken the crappy sat nav, the crappy speakers. What we've done, obviously this is the older Viano, so we put the APK 130s in there, front and rear. It's all gone in its original home. Okay, components with tweeters. We've also changed the sets of Kenwood Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and we've got this amp here, the SR 4.500. This is a beast of an amp, guys, yeah? And I'm telling you now, these specs are no lie. Yeah, that's RMS power, guys. That is no BS, and I can vouch for that. We've also added an active 10-inch subwoofer in there. Okay, so you can see it just there with the Audison sign. Alright, and to the left of it you can see the blue light just lit up. I'll take you closer anyway, so I'll show you where it is. So what we've done, everything looks OEM. Okay, so you've got an amp just here. So it's out of the way. Okay, you've got an active sub here. Remember, the active sub can be removed within seconds as well. And then you've also got the Apple CarPlay unit. Questions, guys. Yeah, people turn around and say, "Oh, I don't want to change the radio. I know I'm gonna get more, but I'm gonna lose my volume controls." Well, guys, look, it works. Look, it works, guys. So don't be shy. Don't be shy. So, guys, if you want your Audison upgrade done, if you want Hertz upgrade done, guys, give us a shout. Also, wait 554.
Up line after line. See how she looks in trouble. See how she dances and she seems to go
unbelievable, guys. Hashtag us and Car Sound Security. Give us a call on 0208 554 5554 or email us info@carsoundsecurity.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube video, guys.